What's up, Trendix crew? Get ready for a rapid-fire news blast that's going to blow your minds. First up, the Hong Kong stock market is absolutely exploding, with tech giants like Baidu, Meituan, and JD.com leading the charge to a 4-year high, fueled by exciting AI innovations and supportive government policies. This is a massive surge you absolutely need to know about. And the momentum doesn't stop there. We're taking a trip to Naperville, where MayneLand Farm is celebrating nearly 50 years of bringing fresh, local produce straight to your table. This community staple has a story generations in the making, connecting us all to the food we eat in a way that's truly special. But it's not all sunshine and local harvests. We're heading to the trade floor, where the Fresh Mushrooms Fair Trade Coalition has just filed a critical petition. They're calling out unfair trade practices from Canada that are hitting U.S. mushroom growers hard, demanding a level playing field. This could reshape your grocery aisle. And that's just a taste of the incredible stories we're breaking down today. From massive market moves to the heart of local agriculture and crucial trade battles, Trendix has your back. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on so you don't miss any of these essential updates. Hong Kong stocks skyrocket on AI hopes. Investors are going wild as the Hang Seng Index and the Hang Seng Tech Index hit fresh 4-year highs, with tech giants like Baidu, Meituan, and JD.com leading the charge. This massive surge is being fueled by a potent combination of aggressive AI monetization strategies from China's internet leaders and a significant boost in market sentiment following a supportive policy address from Hong Kong's leader. Analysts at UBS Global Wealth Management are particularly bullish, citing the resilience of AI leaders with scalable infrastructure and strong execution, especially with advancements in domestic chip development and large language models. While gold miner Zijin Mining Group, toymaker Pop Mart International, and builder Henderson Land Development saw dips, the overall market sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, signaling a strong belief in the future of AI-driven growth. Analysts are pointing to this rally as a clear indicator of investor confidence in the transformative power of artificial intelligence and supportive governmental policies. The market's reaction highlights a growing demand for AI-centric companies that possess robust infrastructure and a proven ability to execute their growth strategies, suggesting a significant shift in investment focus towards innovation and technological advancement. But what does this mean for the future of global markets and AI innovation? Stay tuned as we break down the real impact, and then we're heading to a beloved local farm that's been a community cornerstone for half a century. Naperville's farming legacy, MayneLand Farm's 50-year journey. For nearly 5 decades, MayneLand Farm has been a beloved fixture in Naperville, offering the freshest local produce right from its 15-acre plot. This isn't just a farm. It's a community hub where customers connect directly with the people growing their food, fostering a relationship that's often lost in the modern grocery landscape. Manager Lisa Bricardo emphasizes this vital connection, noting how customers engage with the farm, asking about what's growing and what's coming next. Originally part of the Mayne family's land acquired in 1949, the farm stand officially began in 1976 when a tenant started selling his garden's bounty. The operation grew, eventually led by Jeremy Mayne from 1980 until his retirement in 2023. Even at 81, Mayne cherishes the farm's legacy, having recently enjoyed his first summer vacation in over 40 years. While Jeremy Mayne has leased the land to former employee Andrew Yates, who now operates it as Mill Street Produce, the core mission remains. Customers can still find a wide array of fresh vegetables, fruits, local honey, eggs, and flowers, picked daily and sold directly. The farm's year-round commitment includes intensive seed starting in February for cool season crops and early March for tomatoes, utilizing 15 high tunnels, a large greenhouse, chicken coops, and beehives. As MayneLand Farm approaches its 50th anniversary in 2026, the team, including manager Thomas Mistretta, is focused on enhancing operations, extending the growing season, and expanding offerings to attract new customers and collaborate with local restaurants and food services. The farm's enduring appeal lies in its commitment to providing the freshest possible produce, picked from the field daily, reinforcing its status as a vital, fresh food resource for the community. The community's response has been overwhelmingly positive, with many customers expressing appreciation for the farm's dedication to freshness and local sourcing. This deep connection to the land and its produce resonates strongly in today's market, highlighting the enduring value of supporting local agriculture. From the fields of Naperville to the bustling world of international trade, the next story is heating up. We're diving into a major petition filed against unfair mushroom imports that could have big consequences for growers and consumers alike. U.S. mushroom growers fight back against Canadian imports. A critical petition has been filed by the Fresh Mushrooms Fair Trade Coalition, backed by Kelly Dry and Warren LLP, aiming to tackle what they describe as unfair trade practices involving fresh mushroom imports from Canada. This move, lodged with the U.S. Department of Commerce and the U.S. International Trade Commission, alleges that Canadian producers are selling mushrooms below fair value and benefiting from government subsidies, which is causing significant harm to American growers. This petition is a direct response to what the coalition describes as material injury to the domestic mushroom industry. They've presented evidence suggesting that Canadian exports are priced unfairly low and are bolstered by subsidies from the Canadian government. These practices, according to the coalition, have led to lost sales, reduced prices, and declining profits for U.S. mushroom farmers and packers. The goal is to create a level playing field, ensuring fair competition, protecting American jobs and investments, and ultimately providing consumers with high-quality mushrooms at fair prices. The coalition is urging swift action from the Commerce Department and the International Trade Commission to halt further damage to the domestic industry. The petition specifically names major U.S. companies such as Giorgio Fresh Co., J.M. Farms LLC, Kennett Square Mushroom Operation LLC, Modern Mushroom Farms, Needham's Mushroom Farms, and Shuraki Mushroom Farms as part of the coalition. This broad support underscores the widespread impact of these alleged unfair trade practices on the U.S. mushroom sector. Public reaction online has been divided, with some consumers expressing concern about potential price increases, while many in the agricultural community are voicing strong support for the coalition's efforts to protect domestic jobs and ensure fair market practices. Industry analysts are closely watching the case, noting its potential to set precedents for future trade disputes. Will this petition successfully level the playing field for American growers? We'll have to wait and see, but next, we're shifting gears entirely to bring you the latest market-shaking news from Asia that's causing a major buzz. Baidu Meituan, JD.com fuel Hong Kong's stock market surge. The Hong Kong stock market is on fire, with the Hang Seng Index and the Hang Seng Tech Index reaching their highest levels since July 2021. Tech giants Baidu, Meituan, and JD.com are leading this impressive rally, driven by investor optimism surrounding AI innovations and a wave of supportive policies. This surge reflects a growing confidence in China's leading internet companies as they accelerate their monetization of artificial intelligence, bolstered by advancements in domestic chip development and large language model technology. Eva Li, head of Greater China Equities at UBS Global Wealth Management, highlighted this trend in a recent report, stating, "China's internet leaders are accelerating AI monetization, backed by domestic chip development and large language model innovation." She further added, "This resilience reinforces our confidence in AI leaders with scalable infrastructure. We favor AI-driven and alpha growth names with strong execution." This sentiment is driving significant investment into companies poised to capitalize on the AI revolution. While some specific stocks like Zijin Mining Group, PopMart International, and Henderson Land Development experienced minor declines, the overall market sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with the CSI 300 index and Shanghai Composite Index also posting gains on the mainland. The market's upward trajectory is seen as a direct response to the strategic focus on AI development and supportive government initiatives, signaling a robust outlook for technology-driven growth in the region. Investors are keenly watching companies that demonstrate strong execution capabilities and possess scalable infrastructure to support AI advancements. This significant market performance has generated considerable excitement among investors and analysts alike, who view it as a strong indicator of the region's potential in the global AI race. The positive outlook is expected to encourage further investment in technology and innovation. This is just the beginning of what's happening in the world of tech and business. Stick around as we recap the biggest stories and reveal which one is stealing the show today. All right, Trendix fam, that's a wrap on today's explosive news rundown. We saw Hong Kong stocks absolutely soar thanks to AI innovation from Baidu, Meituan, and JD.com. Then we explored the heartwarming, half-century legacy of MayneLand Farm in Naperville, connecting us to local produce. We also covered the crucial petition filed by the Fresh Mushrooms Fair Trade Coalition against unfair Canadian imports. And finally, we witnessed the incredible market surge in Hong Kong, driven by tech giants embracing AI. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome updates, ring that notification bell, and let us know in the comments which story blew you away the most. And give us a follow on all our socials to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.